Can you describe in your own words what happened that day?
Yes, I'm still a little bit shaky about it, but we decided to go sail to Cascais for New Year's Eve. Everything was going okay.
We are going sailing, we are going sailing.
We are going sailing, we are going sailing, we are going sailing, we are going sailing.
And then what happened?
You hear about it happening to other people, but you never think it's going to happen to you.
Can you believe this happened to us? Oh no! What's going on?
There's no wind.
Absolutely no wind.
This is Starry Night, a courageous, plucky sailboat who has only one dream: to sail around the world and have lots of adventures. No, not like that. It's around the world, not through it. But not everything was going to plan. Starry Night was abandoned on the heart for 12 full years. But one day, he found us. My name is Paulo, and this is Caterina, and these are our two very overactive kids. After a crazy amount of work, Starry Night is once again ready to sail the oceans. So sit back, relax, and join us in this adventure, and we will all find out together where Starry Night will end up next. We've decided to spend the New Year's Eve in the village of Cascais in Portugal. It's one of our favorite anchorages, and there's no better way to watch the New Year's Eve fireworks than right beneath them. However, there was absolutely no wind, and we had to motor the whole way there. The kids don't really mind. They are much more interested in knowing how much screen time they are allowed today. Meanwhile, in the cockpit, me and Caterina are slowly unwinding from a very stressful week. We set the engine at 1500 RPM and move down the river at a steady pace of 6 knots. The low rumble of the diesel engine and some pretty nice copyrighted music help us relax even further as we enjoy a spectacular sunset. The next morning, we took the dinghy ashore and went for a walk in the village of Cascais. Even though it has 65,000 inhabitants, Cascais is still officially considered a village. It has refused multiple times to become officially a city for fear that it would hurt the tourism sector. We took our mandatory daily shot of Portuguese espresso in a traditional bakery. I don't care if you're Italian, this is the best coffee in the world. As the evening went on, our friends and family arrived. I took them very slowly from the dock to the boat. Happy to report, nobody got wet. Now all we had to do was eat, drink, and celebrate while we waited for the fireworks that night. Nothing beats watching the fireworks from your own sailboat right next to it. The next day, we went back home. But I'm not gonna tell that story. Because the wind, well,